This is about the Leatherman Charge TTI that I purchased recently. Actually, this one is the second tool that I have already, because I replaced the first one due to quality issues. Okay, the first one had blade play on the plain edge blade, and on the saw blade, and it had the f- the known file rub issue on the Leatherman Charge, and the inside tools also had some play, particularly the screwdriver. So I went back to Cabela's and replaced the first one. Okay, this one that I got now, sadly, also has quality issues. Okay, the first time I got this 2 days ago, the plain edge blade locks solidly. It doesn't have play at all. But last night when I tried it, it already has blade play. If you can, my camera's gonna focus. I don't think so. Okay, it has play up and down. If you can hear it. Okay, we know that the reason is a short liner lock, or an over grinded or over machined pivot on the blade. Okay, and when I got this 2 days ago, the serrated blade already has blade play up and down. What's worst is the saw blade. It has severe blade play up and down. Can you hear that? And even side to side. There. There. Side to side blade play. Which I can adjust if I only have the security Torx tool, but I don't have it. Short liner lock again, or over machined pivot. Okay, this one doesn't have file rub issue, so the file rub issue is a hit and miss. The file locks solidly, doesn't have any play at all. Okay, the inside tools, everything locks solidly. No play. Okay, I tested everything inside, and when I first got this, it already has this deep scratch. This is a vertical scratch, so it's impossible that it's caused by the opening or closing of the tool. If you can see that scratch, quite deep. And also this one, this one, out of the box. Considering this is a blister pack, a sealed package, so it's impossible that someone already got this tool, just returned it. Okay, what's my point? This is a $200 tool. Okay, so we should expect excellent quality, if not perfect. And also this one rubs, or the plier head contacts with the handle when opening and closing it, a little, it contacts very a little harder than the other ones that I have. And on the first one, the first charge that I got 2 days ago, that has a better opening and closing. It doesn't cause this too much of a scratch. See? Okay, I'm returning this one again. And if they don't have any stock anymore, I'm gonna refund my money. And hope to find another tool, or find another store that has the Leatherman Charge TTI, and try again for the third time. Thanks for watching.